We'll guide you through how to install the WordPress Calendly plugin. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look on the left-hand side menu and click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type in Calendly to find the plugin. You should see the Calendly Scheduling Embed plugin appear. Click on Install Now, and once it's installed, the button will change to Activate. So go ahead and click that to activate the plugin. Now you'll want to connect your Calendly account with WordPress. To do this, hover over Calendly on the left menu and click on Settings. You'll be prompted to enter your Calendly API key. To find this, open a new tab and log into your Calendly account. Go to the Integration section, then find API and webhooks to get your API key. Copy that key, go back to your WordPress settings, and paste it in the designated field. Click Save Changes to connect your account. Now, you can embed Calendly on any page or post by using the Calendly shortcode. Just edit the page or post where you want to add your Calendly schedule, paste the shortcode, and publish your changes. This allows visitors to schedule appointments directly from your website. It's a seamless integration that can really enhance your booking process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.